This $20 million Mediterranean-style villa in Silicon Valley has a 300-year-old Italian roof. Can't get to your beloved Italy for a summer under the Tuscan sun? We have a solution. This $20 million Italian-style villa offers a little slice of Bella Italia in the heart of California's Silicon Valley. Completed in 2006, the secluded Oasis, set on 7 lush, wooded acres in the Bucolic Portola Valley, the 8,000-square-foot Tuscan mansion is expertly designed with unparalleled attention to detail. Stunning architectural elements imported from Italy add texture and a sense of history. An entry featuring a brick barrel ceiling, hand-carved doors, limestone terraces, and a carved wood ceiling salvaged from a Venetian villa are just a few of the features that transport you to the Italian countryside. According to listing agent Michael Dreyfus, the owners traveled to Italy and came home with 30 shipping containers brimming with hand-selected pieces. The thin brick tiles in some of the bedrooms were reclaimed from the floor of an old Italian church. On the first floor, there's an array of reception rooms, a spectacular glass-walled formal dining room with ancient patterned floor tiles, a cozy reading room, and magnificent arch-ceilinged office with an imposing fireplace. The sprawling open-plan family kitchen features more reclaimed Italian wood flooring, a carved green marble and oversized island for guests to view all the pasta making and salad tossing. Up on the second floor is the sprawling, wooden-paneled primary suite. It comes with an adjoining sitting room, expansive bathroom with more ancient Italian floor tiles, and a freestanding bathtub with views out across grassy meadows. Just off the primary bedroom sits a private rooftop terrace to enjoy the California sunshine. Blink and you could be in the Tuscan countryside. Metal frame doors open out to yet another lovely feature of the home. Its covered poolside loggia with an outdoor fireplace, wood-beamed ceiling, and quirky old Italian metal carriage lights. The loggia opens to the pool terrace with a view of the sun-drenched meadow. The structures were carefully positioned to take full advantage of the natural beauty of the setting. And like a true Italian estate, there's no shortage of outbuildings. These include a 1,400-square-foot guest house alongside the pool, a caretaker's cottage, a standalone gym, and a 3-car garage. The property naturally has a bocce pit and tennis court. Or, for the true al fresco wine tasting, there's a clearing among the towering redwood trees with a rustic wood table and illumination from an ancient wooden chandelier. The estate was first listed in September 2019 for $32 million, a price tag that reflected the home's sky-high replacement cost and unique historical features. With no takers, the price was shaved to $28 million in January last year and, after a few months off the market, was recently relisted for $23 million, and it was finally sold for $20 million in May of 2021.